How to use free hit on FPL. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can use free hit on Fantasy Premier League. You can do this on the website by going to fantasy.premierleague.com, or you can also download the Fantasy Premier League application. For that, you want to open the Play Store app and get this application called Premier League Official App. Tap on the install button, and once it has been installed, open the application. Once you open it, make sure to log into your account. After you have been logged in, tap on the option of Fantasy, which is at the bottom of your screen. Here, you want to tap on Transfers. Now, a free hit allows for unlimited transfers in a single game week. It can only be used once a season. By playing the free hit chip, managers can replace their entire squad for the game week, but their 15-man lineup is returned to how it was at the start of the game week for the next deadline. The free hit offers an alternative to the wildcard as a way of temporarily fixing a squad. FPL managers can return to the free hit when injuries and suspensions hit or when postponed fixture cause issues. The free hit chip lets manager pick players who are not only in action but also have good fixtures. Now, if you want to activate the free hit in FPL, on the app itself, you want to first make changes to your team as normal on the transfers page. So tap on the add players option, and from here you can choose any player that you want to put. Now tap on the player you want to replace. In the same way, you can tap on any player in your current squad that you want to replace. Then tap on the option of replace. Now from this list, you want to select the player that you want to replace it with. Once you have made the necessary changes, you want to tap on the next option. Before confirming the transfers, you want to click on the option of Free Hit Available button at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on the Confirm option. If you're on the FPL website itself, once you go to make transfers, the Play Free Hit button appears above the Confirm Transfers option. Once you tap on the confirm option, your free hit will be confirmed. Once you play the free hit, you cannot cancel it. Ensure that you're ready to deviate from your normal team before activating the chip. And that's all you need to know about free hit on FPL, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.